Alright, so a new part is installed. As you can see, when you put this sucker back in there, don't forget to put this hose. I actually had to remove this whole thing off again because I forgot to connect this hose, and you can't do it while it's in there. So I had to take everything off all over again just to do that. But yeah, so this thing's done. And everything else is self-explanatory. You can only connect these plugs to where they go. And these are all oil pressure sensors and temperature sensors. And then you take this cap off and you put the cartridge in there. And well, yeah, I don't know what size nut that is, but oh, there he goes. It's a 15/16. Oh my god. Sucker's really on there. Yeah, well, it says 25. It says 25 millimeter, I guess. So supposedly it said it doesn't come with a cartridge. And it comes with a cartridge. That's cool, because I bought another one. Because we're going to have to run it. And then we're going to have to drain the oil out. And that was my daughter Rihanna. But so yeah, we're gonna keep this on there, tighten this sucker up, and then this should be good. So now I gotta put all that back on there. We're gonna change out all the lines and all that. I mean, all the rubber seals and gaskets, and then we'll go ahead and install it back on there. So seals there and seals there. So these bolts, they don't come off. But let's go ahead and change these. Be right back.